not on their cruises.
We finally made it to Vancouver, Canada, and we were able to spend some time in the city before we boarded our cruise this morning.
Okay, cruise day!
And we made it.
Hey, let's go sail away.
It's electric!
Oh yeah. As we say goodbye to Vancouver, you pass underneath the Lionsgate Suspension Bridge, and that is the gateway to Alaska. Off we go.
Radiance of the Seas, let's check out the hair salon in Solarium. Cute. Aww. So they have a hair salon here if you need to get your hair did for fancy night. Nice view. And here's the indoor pool, the Solarium Center. Let's check this out. Oh, you have little birds playing like we're outside, but we're not. It's nice and warm in here. Mm-hmm. Adults only. Oh wow, look at that. Lifeguard on board. Oh, cool. Oh, nice. We're gonna be spending a lot of time. Little tired tiger. Lion. Or something. Panther. And then you want to rinse the chlorine off ya? Little shower area. Keep your bathing suit on, folks. Ooh, he's getting that. Nice. Come back from a nice cold Alaska day and hop in the hot tub. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, look, it's like a little bridge over there. Beautiful. Babe, you get one shot, I'll get the other. We'll wait. Look, that's like an infinity cup. See, it's not overflowing. Oh, that's cool.
That'll give the Mediterranean vibe.
It is giving Mediterranean, huh? Come down here, have some lunch. Beautiful. So that's the Sledding. Radiance of the Seas is such a beautiful ship. There was so much to do, so much to eat, so much to see, and of course, let's not forget the amazing ice cream that you can get all day long. Our first stop in Alaska was, of course, the capital, Juneau. This port is cute and touristy, and of course, what is a stop in Juneau without hitting Tracy's Crab Shack? I mean, did you even go to Juneau?
Tracy's Crab Shack in Juneau, Alaska. Have the best king crabs ever. Let's look at them. Yum. Whoa, look at that. Looks delicious. Can't wait to dig in. So this is the second time we've been to Alaska, and there's always a line. It's not too bad, but this place is definitely worth waiting for.
Radiance, check your side out.
Up that inside passage where those eagles fly. Wakes up right in the morning and says, sail on by. Skies up above, everyone.
That's why I can never get a hold of you, because I'm calling you and you're wrong.
You didn't
give me the other number, now you have it. I have it, he's giving me
that
the deal.
inside
Calling me on
passage. I went up that inside passage.
Get some duck fart shots going.
Inside passage with me.
These are shooters, not sippers, okay?
That inside passage to the Red Dog Saloon.
Ready? I'm gonna slow
Hey,
this.
folks, I did that whole entire song.
Here we go. Ready?
If you wish to speak to a human person.
Hey, y'all drinking another storm, huh? Drink on ships, drink beer.
Pretty
drink
good.
everywhere we like.
Oh, they shot it.
Dog sledding in Alaska has been something that has been on our bucket list for years. As this isn't something that you would see in movies with the sled and the white snow and the huskies with the blue eyes, this was still a fun excursion, seeing these dogs actually really loving what they do and taking us on this ride.
Yeah.
The sledding with these dogs actually lasted about a mile. And then the tour guide stops, talks to you for a little bit, and then you continue on your way. So it definitely is a fun excursion to check out.
Good job.
Are you a leader too? What? Yeah. Yeah. You the leader?
Do this. Why are you barking? Why are you barking? Huh?
Yes, I do.
Hi.
Yes, I do.
Actually really impressive for one.
You want to hold me? No. Kind of.
Yeah, I'm
The best part about this excursion was finally getting to hold these adorable puppies. Oh, it's going.
Is he like purring?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's incredible how much more comfortable they are in the snow than humans are. Now, the start in April is more of a ceremonial start. It's just kind of a
Our next port was Icy Strait Point.
Look at the deer.
Oh wow.
Hey, baby.
Good eye.
So this was a gondola ride that we took, and it takes you from one side of the island to the other side of the island.
Yeah, it's absolutely free. It's a nice, relaxing ride.
Here you'll see it goes over an obstacle course. There's zip lining. There's all sorts of things to do. And like you said, it's super relaxing and beautiful.
But I'd say the best thing to do at Icy Strait Point is the whale watching.
Oh my gosh,
It is incredible.
Yeah, the whales, I mean, a lot of people, you pay all this money, which we did, for a whale excursion. But you could just, if you decide not to do that, you could get off the ship and look, and you saw whales all day long.
And I would highly recommend Glacier Winds Charter. They were fantastic. It's family owned.
Absolutely.
And it was
Beautiful.
great. Oh yeah.
He's looking right at us.
After our amazing day on sea, we actually got a quick tour of this town by the locals. Besides the breathtaking views, there really wasn't a lot to do in this town. We would recommend exploring the port actually, because there's a lot to do and eat there. We then headed to the beautiful Sitka, Alaska, which has a lot of Russian influence.
There we go.
And we're gonna take
I have to be honest, I think this was one of my favorite excursions I've ever been on. The journey to the homestead was absolutely beautiful. Seeing gray whales, as you can see, they are just majestic and stunning. I wasn't sure what to expect with this, but as we pulled up, I thought this is what Alaska is all about. Upon entering, we were greeted with these delicious salmon treats. They had hot chocolate, and then we went out back and we had a campfire with campfire stories, which was absolutely incredible.
Clark and Otto, they got buried together. Clark actually resigned himself to death. He thought that he was dead until he felt a little bit of air on the tips of his fingers. Realized his hand was at Otto's boot. So Clark and Otto fell together. They must have subconsciously grabbed onto each other as they were getting tumbled down the snow. Otto is completely unconscious at this point, so Clark is being a great friend, and he's digging him out. It took him about 3 hours. Then at about 12 p.m., as they both kind of emerged out of that snow, they're about to look for Fred. They're not too badly crossed.
Next stop, Skagway, Alaska. This was an excursion that is definitely a bucket list item. Due to Alaska's weather, sometimes these helicopter tours do get canceled, so be sure to book your helicopter tour in the beginning of the trip, just in case so you can book another one later on in the trip if it does get canceled. I had no idea what to expect with landing on an actual glacier, but this far exceeded my expectations. We all agreed that it was almost like landing on a different planet. That's how surreal it felt.
It's all over my face.
Whoa!
That could go right. That would fall right down. Edge is deep right there.
We are getting close to the end of the tour. This is the tour to get your feet.
Right? It's so pretty. Just the color. Guys, be sure to book this excursion if you're interested way ahead of time, as only 150 people can get on this, and I will say it is expensive, but it is well worth it. Do keep in mind that as you are traveling to a glacier, it is very cold and windy, but the crew does a fantastic job at making sure everyone is taken care of. They offer complimentary hot beverages and snacks.
We even got to try kelp salsa, which I have to say, we did have to purchase some and take some home. It's absolutely delicious. We even got to hold a piece of the actual glacier. Here's a pic of me and my gorgeous husband.
From Russell Fjord, but as soon as they got all geared up, it burst on its own, and luckily there wasn't too much water in there where they had the same type of flood that they got from the first one. But as Hubbard Glacier continues to advance at about 50 feet per year, eventually Hubbard Glacier will once again meet that point of
The breakfast menu. As I'm going through the menu, feel free to hit pause. The lunch menu. And now sit back, relax, and enjoy the views of the #1 rated train ride in the world.